Thank you, Licious. It's very, very tasty. I really like it. Hi friends, welcome to my channel and I'm making a sandwich. This is bread and this is Licious spread. So let's make it. Nice one. Nice one. Taste and okay, let's split this on this spread and spread it. Alright, let me do this. Very tasty. So let's take a little bit cider. It's very tasty. So that's some more bread and put it on here and we just press it. Alright, now we finished. We have butter and we're going to put this. Put it there. Okay, now we just need to wait for this to melt. Put this bread on this top. Now we need to wait for 2 minutes. Now you have to turn it. Let's turn this. It's very hot. So we need to turn like this. Like this. It's very too hot. So let's wait for this to just go up more. Okay, we just need to wait for 2 minutes more. Now, Licious spread bread is ready. Let's take it on this plate. So our Licious spread is ready and we can taste this. Let's see how it tasted. Our Licious spread and bread is ready. Now it's very, very, very tasty. Yes, so yummy. Thank you, Licious. It's very, very tasty. I really like it. Please subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye. Hope you liked the video. See you next time. Bye.